Hi, Sarah. Hi. What's up, DeAndre? What's up, babe?
Hi,
Hi.
Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Oh, you're just broke the thing.
Love
Sorry,
you.
say hi. Sorry, say hi.
Did you have fun today?
Daddy.
Hi, Savvy. How was your second day of school?
Good. Kind of boring though.
Did you learn more multiplications today?
I didn't even learn multiplication yet.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday I was tricking you.
Oh, you was tricking me. Oh, well, Daddy will teach you some multiplications before your teacher, okay?
Okay. Yes.
Hey, Dion. I just wanted to say I'm proud of you for doing your second day of school, and I love you, okay?
Okay, I love you too. You're the best thing you
¿Qué significas para mí?
Get away from the door. Hey, we've got you on video.